Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel that is Learning Never Ends. In my previous video, I have discussed about the theories, and in this video I will discuss all the numericals of class 9 of chapter 9, that is force and laws of motion. So chapter number 9, force and laws of motion. So in this video I will discuss all the examples as well as in-text question. In my next video I will discuss all the text questions, all the exercise questions. Okay, so let's start. The first example is 9.1. A constant force acts on an object of mass m equal to 5 kg for a duration of 2 seconds. So t equal to 2 seconds. These are the given terms. It increases the object's velocity from 3 meter per second to 7 meter per second. So here u equal to 3 meter per second. U is the initial velocity and v is the final velocity, that is 7 meter per second, because velocity changes from 3 to 7. So u is 3 and v is 7. Find the magnitude of the applied force. So force का फॉर्मूला होता है ma, where a is v minus u upon t. So m into v minus u upon t is the formula of force. So F is 5 into mass is 5, v is 7 minus 3 upon 2. 7 minus 3 is 4, 4 by 2, that is 10. So 10 Newton. Newton is the unit of force. So 10 Newton. Now if the force was applied for a duration of 5 seconds, means t equal to 5 second है. अब second case में case second, it was the case first, right? So in case second, t equal to 5 seconds, what would be the final velocity? V equal to question mark. So v equal to u plus at, right? Or you can say here a is f up, and a का फॉर्मूला होता है f इक्वल टू एम ए. इट मीन्स a इक्वल टू f अपॉन m. सो हम a के प्लेस पर f अपॉन m लिख सकते हैं. सो v इक्वल टू u प्लस f अपॉन m इंटू t. सो v इज फाइनल वेलोसिटी क्वेश्चन मार्क. u इज अगेन u इज 3 था u, एंड 3 plus f upon m, that is 10 upon 5 into 5 time. So 3 plus 10, that is 13 meter per second. It is the final velocity in second case. Done. Now example number 9.2. In 9.2, which would require a greater force accelerating a 2 kg mass? So here m equal to m1 equal to 2 kg, m2 equal to 4 kg, and accelerations are also given. a1 equal to 5 meter per second square and a2 is 2 meter per second square. Meter per second square is the unit of acceleration. Now f1 we can find out by m1a1, and f2 can be find out by m2a2. So f1 equal to m1a1, that is 2 into 5, that is 10 Newton, because Newton is the unit of force. And f2 is m2 into a2, that is 4 into 2, that is 8 Newton. So obviously f1 is greater than f2, so you can write f1 is greater than f2. Now example number 9.3. In 9.3, a motor car is moving with a velocity of 108 km per hour. It means u equal to 108. अब किलोमीटर पर आवर को हमें मीटर पर सेकेंड में कन्वर्ट करना होगा. तो किलोमीटर को मीटर में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए इंटू 1000 एंड आर को सेकंड में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए 60 into 60. कैलकुलेशन विल बी 30 मीटर पर सेकेंड. रन. then after the brakes are applied, brake apply हो गया, it means v equal to 0 meter per second, because brake के बाद तो stationary condition में होगी car, motor car. Calculate the force exerted by the brakes on the motor car if its mass m equal to 1000 kg. So formula will be, that is v minus u upon t. F equal to m into v minus u upon t. M is 1000, v is 0 minus 30 upon t is 4 seconds. 4 seconds is given here. So by calculating them, it will be minus 7500 Newton. You can calculate it accordingly, right? Now example number 9.4. Example number 9.4. A force of 5 Newton gives a mass of an acceleration of 10 meter per second square. Means force given is 5 Newton, mass given a mass m1, and acceleration of 10 meter per second square, and m2 is given somewhere. m2 and m1 are question mark. So here a1 is 10 meter per second square and a2 is 20 meter per second square. So you can find out m1 and m2 here. So m1 equal to f upon a1, that is 5 upon 10, that is 0.5 kg, right? m2 equal to f upon a2, that is 5 by 20, that is 5 by 20 means 0.25 kg. So these are the masses, respective masses. Now question is, what acceleration would it give if both the masses were tied together? So both masses tied हो गए means m1 plus m2 into a is equal to f, और a question mark है, a is question mark here, f is given, f is 5 Newton, m1 plus m2 means 0.5 plus 0.25 into a, that is 0.75 into a upon 5, that is a equal to 5 by 0.75, that is 6.67 meter per second square, because meter per second square is the unit of acceleration. It is done. Now example number 9.5. 9.5, here there is a velocity time graph where u equal to 20, v equal to 0, t equal to 10 seconds. Acceleration find out करना है v minus u upon t. So v is 0 minus 20 upon 10, that is minus 2 सेंटीमीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर. सेंटीमीटर को आपको किस में कन्वर्ट करना होगा? मीटर में, बिकॉज द वेलोसिटी इज इन सेंटीमीटर पर सेकेंड. सो इट इज़ minus 0.02 meter per second square. Done. Force is ma. Here m is the 20 and 20 ग्राम. सो ग्राम को कन्वर्ट करने के लिए 20 by 1000 इंटू एक्सीलरेशन 0.02, दोनों का आंसर आएगा माइनस ऑफ 0.0004 न्यूटन. You can calculate them accordingly. Now I will discuss all the in-text question here. Sorry, I will discuss example number 9.6. So example number 9.6 is this one. A bullet of mass 20 gram is horizontally, so m equal to m1 equal to 20 gram. ग्राम को आपको किलोग्राम में कन्वर्ट करना होगा. सो इट इज़ 0.02 ग्राम मीन्स 20 upon 1000, that is 0.02 kilogram. Now is horizontally fired with a velocity of this. So m2 equal to 2 kg. 2 kg, it is already in kg, so don't change it into the gram. Here u1 and u2. स्टार्टिंग में बुलेट एंड राइफल जो भी है गन वो दोनों क्या होंगी, ज़ीरो होंगी, बिकॉज स्टेशनरी कंडीशन होती है स्टार्टिंग में. एंड V1 इज़ 150 मीटर पर सेकेंड. नाउ what is the recoil velocity of the pistol? So V2 equal to question mark. So according to the conservation of law of conservation of momentum, m1 u1 plus m2 u2 is equal to m1 v1 plus m2 v2. It means momentum of before collision is equal to the momentum of final collision. Collision in the sense of doing any work like two balls collide each other or anything else. So m1 is 0.02 here, u1 is 0 plus m2 is 2, u2 is 0, m1 is 2 and v1 is 150 plus m2 is 2 and v2 is question mark. So it is 0 here, that is 300 plus 2v2. So here this one, so 300 plus 2v2, sorry, it is 0.02, so it is 3 plus 2v2. So v2 equal to minus of 3 upon 2, that is minus of 1.5 meter per second. So v2 equal to minus of 1.5 meter per second. This is the recoil velocity, final recoil velocity of the pistol. Now example number 9.7. A girl of mass 40 kg jumps with a horizontal velocity of, so m1 equal to 40 kg, jumps with a horizontal velocity of, that is u1 5 meter per second initial velocity, onto a stationary cart. Cart is stationary, cart is like a skate. So u2 equal to 0 because it is stationary. Stationary means velocity 0 होगी initial velocity with frictionless wheels. The mass of the cart is 3 kg. So m2 equal to 3 kg. Both are in kg, so there is no need to convert it into the gram because it is already in kg and we have to write it in kg. What is her velocity as the cart starts moving? Means u1 u2 given है. Now अब वो गर्ल कहाँ पर चली गई, कार्ट के ऊपर. इट मीन्स v1 और v2 जैसे जैसे वो कार्ट चलेगा वैसे वैसे वो चलेगी. तो v1 इज इक्वल टू v2 इज इक्वल टू v, राइट. लेट नाउ अकॉर्डिंग टू द लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ मोमेंटम m1 v1 u1 इज इक्वल टू m2 u2 इक्वल टू m1 v1 प्लस m2 v2. Here m1 u1 that is 40 into 5 plus m2 u2 that is 3 into 0 is equal to m1 v1 that is 40 into 40 plus 3 into v. Here 200 equal to 43 v. So v is equal to 4.65 meter per second. You can divide it and ये आपका आंसर आएगा. Done. 9.7 is done. If there is any problem you can check my all the playlist of this. मैं एक सेपरेट प्लेलिस्ट बना दूंगी आपके लिए फिज़िक्स नेम से मेरे चैनल पर, आप उसमें सब देख सकते हैं. नाउ एग्जाम्पल नंबर, और कोई और प्रॉब्लम है तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में मुझे लिख सकते हैं. नाउ द लास्ट एग्जाम्पल इज एग्जाम्पल नंबर 9.8. Two hockey players of opposite teams while trying to hit a hockey ball on the ground collide and immediately become entangled. One has a mass of, that is m1 equal to 60 kilogram and was moving with a velocity of, so u1 is equal to 5 meter per second. Now m2 is equal to 55 kg of another boy of another team and u2 is equal to minus of 6 meter per second. Why negative? Because they are in opposite direction. Now in which direction and with what velocity will they move after they become entangled? Means दोनों entangled हो गए हैं. It means v1 equal to v2 equal to v. It means m1 v1 similarly same m1 the law of conservation of momentum ही यूज़ करेंगे इसमें. m1 u1 plus m2 u2 equal to m1 v1 plus m2 v2. Here 60 into 5 plus 55 into -6 is equal to 60 plus 55 into v. आपको इसको पूरा को सॉल्व करना है और v का वैल्यू आएगी आपकी 0.26 मीटर पर सेकेंड. डन. Thank you so much for watching my video. In my next video I will discuss all the in-text question, and in my last video I will discuss all the exercise questions. So please check my playlist physics name. Thank you so much.